Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. pTron has finally launched two new products in the wearable category, and here we have a smartwatch and a fitness smartband. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features. So first of all guys, these are the budget segment products and pTron has priced them very aggressively. The smartband, which is the Pulsefit F121, is available to purchase for just Rs 899. And the smartwatch, which is the Pulsefit P261, is available for just Rs 1299. So starting with the unboxing, here we have the smartband and the model name is the Pulsefit F121. At the back we have some key features such as 0.96 inches color display. You get the 90 mAh battery in this, which will give you approximately 5 days of battery backup. And this smartband is IP68 waterproof. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So as it's a review unit, the packaging might be a little different. And as you can see, we got two different color straps. In the retail version, you will get only one color strap. And then here we have the main module. Now in terms of the quality, keeping in mind the pricing, which is just Rs 899, I find the quality of the straps pretty good. Now looking at the module, the main module is compact and well built. And to charge, you need to connect it to the power adapter. And now looking at the back, we have the heart rate sensor. In terms of the overview, you have a capacitive button at the bottom of the screen by which you can control this smartband. Overall in terms of the quality and design, I'm really happy with this budget smartband. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So to turn it on, you need to connect the main module to the power adapter. Now looking at the menu, here we have the watch face, which you can change by long pressing the button. And you get couple of more watch faces. Now in terms of the menu, so first we have the heart rate, and guys, surprisingly the heart rate data is pretty accurate, which we have also compared with the Amazfit GT-R2. Then in the menu we have the step count, distance and the calories burned. After that we have the blood pressure monitoring, which to be honest, I'm not sure how accurate it is. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, and we found the SpO2 data fairly accurate. Then in the menu we have the sleep data, sports mode, and in this smartband, you get 5 sports modes, which includes running, climbing, football and cycling. Then you have the message menu, which shows you the notification history. After that we have the function menu, and here we have the find phone option, music, by which you can control the music on your phone. And then you have the usual option such as reboot, reset and power off. So that's all the features we have on this smartband. And now about the companion app. pTron is using a third-party app for this band and is the HR Wi-Fi. The user interface is neat and clean, and setting up the smartband is also very easy. You just need to go to the Add Device section and then select the pTron Smartband. And that's it, your smartband is now connected. And now you can see all the fitness data in the companion app. Now before we move on to the smartwatch, let me show you how you get the notification alert on this smartband. So here is the call alert, and you get the vibration alert in this smartband. And here we have the message alert. You get a news icon here, and now you can see the message in the message menu. So guys, that was the Pulsefit F121. Now let me show you the smartwatch. I'm actually very excited to check out this watch. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model name Pulsefit P261. At the back we have some key features such as 1.54-inch color touch display. You get the 150 mAh battery in this smartwatch, which will give you 3 days of battery backup. This smartwatch is available in two colors, black and blue, and the one we have here is the black variant. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first you have this QR code, which you can scan to read the user manual. So in the box we get the watch module, and my first impression is that the watch module is well built, and it is also a little heavy. And that is mainly due to the metal casing. And then here we have the straps with pTron branding. And guys, I also think that this smartwatch looks a lot like an Apple Watch. And then finally we have the charger, which you need to connect at the back of the smartwatch. Now about the design and quality, I'm surprised and happy that pTron is offering this smartwatch for just Rs 1299. This smartwatch looks well built and the design is like an Apple Watch. Now looking at the screen, we have a 1.54-inch color touch display, and here at this side we have a crown button and the bottom button, which you can use to turn on the display manually. Looking at the back of the smartwatch, it's very well designed, and here we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. And yes, you might have noticed that this smartwatch comes with the calling function. So you have a speaker on this side and a mic by which you can take calls using this watch. And about that, I will let you know more in a moment. So in terms of the design and quality, the Pulsefit P261 is a good looking smartwatch with decent build quality. And keeping in mind the pricing, I'm really happy with the quality of this smartwatch. Now let's turn it on. So here it is on, and here we have the watch face. You can cycle between different watch faces by swiping left or right. And guys, the display output of the smartwatch is far better than my expectations. And also, the touch response is very good. About the functions, swiping down will show you the notification history, and swiping up will show you the quick settings. And here you can adjust things like menu style, open dialer or your favorite contacts. Pressing the crown button will open the main menu. And here we have the grid view, which is again inspired by the Apple Watch, but I prefer to use the list view. So in the menu, we have the step count, heart rate, and here you can see the heart rate, blood pressure and the SpO2 reading. I'm yet to verify the accuracy of this data. Then in the menu we have the dialer, and from here you can dial any phone number using your watch. After that we have the sports mode, which includes running, jumping jack, basketball and so on. Then in the menu we have the music control, sleep and the camera shutter option. On the next page we have the stopwatch, find phone and the weather. And on the last page we have the option to turn off, restart and reset the smartwatch. You also have more menu in which you can set language or time manually. So that's all the options we have on this watch. Now about the app, it's also a third-party app which is the Fit Pro. And here in the app you can see your fitness data, and also there is a watch store and here you can apply different watch faces. And in my opinion, getting this option in this price segment is very good. And lastly about the call function, you get the voice alert for the call and you can accept the call from the watch itself. And during our testing, we found the mic performance was good, but the speaker output was little low.
आवाज़ आ रही है तेरे को?
आवाज़ आ रही है।
तो आवाज़ मतलब तेरे को आवाज़ कैसी लग रही है? मेरी मतलब आवाज़ क्लियर है क्योंकि माइक और
मेरी आवाज़ ऐसी लग रही है तो स्पीकर से बात कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है, मगर मुझे तेरी आवाज़ ठीक आ रही है लेकिन थोड़ी सी लो है, लेकिन ठीक है आवाज़.
But again, no complaints here as I wasn't expecting the calling function to work properly, but getting this option in this price segment is very good. And lastly about the message notifications, here is how you get the message notifications on this smartwatch. So overall both these wearable products are entry level and very affordable. I find the quality and design of both these products very good, keeping in mind the pricing. The Smartband Pulsefit F121 comes with a color screen and the data accuracy is very good. The smartwatch Pulsefit P261 doesn't look like a cheap smartwatch, and also the features are pretty decent. There are some issues here and there which are kind of expected in this price segment. But guys, if you're planning to purchase your first ever smartwatch or smartband, then you can definitely check out these two new products from pTron. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy links in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the pTron Pulsefit F121 fitness band and the Pulsefit P261 smartwatch. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.